In this video we will explain the different charts and graphs presented on this sheet. Pie charts and bar graphs provide a visual element to the data entered in the application. This allows you to easily spot trends and make course corrections as needed. Let's take a more detailed look at all the items on the sheet. In the top left corner, we have a month selection drop-down. Data from the month selected here will be reflected in the two composition pie charts below. The value in the year cell is pulled from the selection made on the cash flow sheet. All the yearly data shown on this sheet is updated based on this value. To change this value, you must go to the cash flow sheet and select a different year. The Show Help checkbox turns on tooltip descriptions for each element on the page. Click on the checkbox again to turn tooltips off. On the left side of the sheet, we have two pie charts. The income composition chart shows the amount and percentage of all the income categories for the selected month. The expense composition chart shows the same, but for all the expense or outgoing categories. These charts help you visualize the portions of your income or expenses that contribute to, or consume the most from, your budget. There are three trend graphs on the right side of the page. At the top is the yearly income versus expense comparison trend. This graph includes a standard yearly income versus expense trend of actual data. This data is layered on top of planned data. This unique layout allows you to see a visual of how well you are sticking to your planned cash flow for the year. There are three different amounts shown for each month. Actual income, represented by a green bar. Actual expenses, shown in red. And actual amounts that are added to savings, in yellow. The corresponding planned amounts are presented as varying shades of blue. In the middle of the screen is the yearly checking and savings balance trends. These graphs trend your actual and projected checking and savings account balances. This helps to visualize the progress you are making toward your savings goals as well as future budget shortfalls. The most outstanding feature of these graphs is that they show past, present, and future data, all within a single graph. Actual balances are past and present, whereas planned balances are projected into the future. The last graph is the expense composition trend. In this graph each category is stacked on top of each other. Think of this as a pie chart in bar form. The thickness of the stacked section represents the percentage of the overall expense total. Seeing each month stacked out in this way helps you to spot spending trends that may need adjusting. This sheet was designed to provide visuals that help you make better financial decisions as you progress through the year.